Hi friends, welcome to our new session. In the last video, we have discussed about the history of brief history of artificial intelligence. Okay, today we are going to discuss what is artificial intelligence, what are the stages, types, and domains of artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the term that is coined by John McCarthy in 1956. He is considered as the father of artificial intelligence. He defined artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Okay, intelligent machines. That is machines that possess human intelligence. Okay, that is machine which can act, think and behave like a human. Okay, that is human. The machines, human have the capability of object detection, decision making power, solving complex problems. Here AI, by using AI, it performs high level computation, thus increasing our production. Okay, so these are all the things we need machines to perform. That is, in short, we need to build intelligent systems. Okay, so today AI is everywhere. That is, AI has become a part of our day-to-day life. Top companies that like Google, Facebook, Alibaba and all that, they are investing a lot of money for building this artificial intelligence software, and many researchers are going on under this area. So you need to study this artificial intelligence from the base itself. Okay, next we will discuss the different stages of artificial intelligence. Okay, there are 3 stages. Okay, first one is artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. So first, artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, it is also known as weak artificial intelligence, weak AI. Okay, here we are applying AI only to a specific task. That is, it has a narrowly predefined set of tasks. Okay, here the machines are programmed for doing a specific task. Okay, here the machines will not possess any thinking capability, any thinking ability. Okay, almost all AI development till now falls under this category, that is artificial narrow intelligence or weak AI. You have Amazon Alexa. Amazon Alexa, it has a limited predefined range of functions. Okay, and the self-driving cars and the Sophia humanoid robot and Google Maps, these are all falls under this category, that is artificial narrow intelligence. Okay, just applying AI only to a specific task. Okay, that is artificial narrow intelligence. Next is artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence, it is also known as strong AI. Okay, and strong AI has been a threat to humanity. Is a threat to humanity, said by our Stephen Hawking and all that. Many scientists, it has been said by many scientists. Okay, here artificial general intelligence, here the machines have the ability to learn and think and make decisions. Machine will possess, okay, the ability for learning and making decision. Okay, currently no such systems are there, but soon we will be able to create such machines which has the capability of thinking, acting and behaving like a human. Okay, that is artificial general intelligence. Next is artificial super intelligence. Artificial super intelligence means here the computer will surpass the human being. In the movies and all that, you might have seen that machines taking all over the world. Okay, that is here simply the robot acting more smarter than humans. Okay, that is what artificial super intelligence. We have not developed such systems, artificial super intelligence. Okay, That is about the different stages of artificial intelligence. Okay, next we will discuss the different types of artificial intelligence. Okay, different types first include reactive machine artificial intelligence. Okay, here the machine will depend only on the present data, and that is it actions performing based on the current situation only. Okay, it has no memory, so we cannot infer any new data for performing future actions. Okay, the best example is IBM Deep Blue, that is the chess playing computer. Okay, it's the best example for reactive machine AI. Okay, it has some limited capability. This just performs a limited set of operations. Okay, just depending upon the present data. That is reactive machine AI. Second one is limited memory AI. In limited memory AI, we can make informed and improved decisions based on the past data that we store in the memory. Okay, that is it has a memory. Such an AI is a short-lived temporary memory that is used to store past experiences in order to evaluate future actions, Okay, so all the AI development falls under this type, that is limited memory AI. Okay, self-driving cars. Example, self-driving cars. It uses the past. It uses the recent past data in order to make immediate decisions. It has the sensors. This has the sensors to identify the people crossing the road, to identify the traffic signals and all that in order to prevent future accidents. Okay, so limited memory, this uses deep learning technique. Deep learning, that is we are training in the present day AI uses deep learning. Okay, that is we are training a large volume of data into the memory to become a reference model for performing any future problems. So we are training a large amount of large amount of data in the memory. Okay, so this is the limited memory AI. Okay, so all the AI developments falls under this category, that is limited memory. Okay, next is theory of mind AI. Theory of mind AI, it is more advanced type. Just it focus on the emotional intelligence, right? That is so that the human belief and thoughts can better comprehended. Okay, currently no such systems are there, but researches are happening in this area. Okay, that is theory of mind AI. Okay, last is self-aware AI. Self-aware AI means machines will possess its own consciousness as humans, and its own consciousness and decision making. Okay, that is self-aware AI. No such systems are there. Okay, that is about the different types of artificial intelligence. Okay, next we can discuss the domains of artificial intelligence. Okay, nowadays AI covers a lot of domains. Okay, we can discuss some major domains where heavy researches is going on. Okay, first is machine learning. Machine learning, today we can see many implementation of machine learning around us, that is Sophia, self-driving Teslas, self-driving cars and all that. Okay, that is it is a subset, it is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Here we are focusing on designing a system that can learn from and make decisions and predictions based on experience, based on experience, okay, data in case of machine learning. That is, we are just making machines to learn the data. Okay, or in another way, it is just the science of getting machines to interpret, process and analyze the data in order to solve some real world problems. Okay, that is machine learning concept. We have three different types of learning, other supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning and all that. So we will discuss this machine learning and types of learning in the upcoming videos. Okay, next is deep learning or neural network. Deep learning, it is the process of implementing neural network on high dimensional data to gain insights and form solutions. And it is the logic behind the face verification algorithm that is used in Facebook and our virtual assistants like Siri, Amazon, Alexa and all that. Okay, that is the deep learning concept. Neural network, it is the term that is inspired from the natural neural network of human nervous system. Okay, that is about deep learning. This also we will discuss neural network in detail in the upcoming sessions. Okay, next is robotics. Robotics means what? They are the artificial agents acting in a real world environment. We can see Sophia as an example for robotics. Okay, the next is natural language processing. Natural language processing, what is NLP? That is, it is the process of AI communicating with intelligent machines by using a natural language. Okay, for example, Twitter, it uses NLP to filter out the terroristic tweets. And Amazon also uses NLP in order to understand the customer reviews and experiences. Okay. Then the next is expert systems. Expert system, it is just a computer system that uses AI technologies to emulate the judgment and behavior of a human. Okay, you can see many ELIZA, the first chatbot that I have discussed in the history. Okay, that is expert system. And expert system, it uses if-then logic. It does not rely on any traditional programming. It does not rely on any traditional programming. Okay, and it is used in our information management system, virus detection, fraud detection and all that. Then last term is fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, it is a very important concept. That is, it is based on the degree of truth rather than the Boolean logic. Okay, and it is a solution to many complex problems in our day-to-day life. It is used in the medical field and where decision making is needed. Okay, so these are all the major domains where heavy researches are going on. Okay, we will discuss each that is machine learning, deep learning, NLP, expert system, fuzzy logic and all that in detail in the upcoming videos. Just here I have just mentioned what brief intro about the these domains. We'll discuss each type in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, so in the next session we will be covering that is about agents and the type of agents. Okay, in the artificial intelligence. Okay, thank you.